Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Instagram trending or the Zoom Reels video editing. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, we're going to use CapCut template to create the trending or the Zoom Reels video. Actually, if we want to create the Zoom effect, we need to use AI, but I know that most of the AIs are not free. So here I'm going to give you free alternative to create the trending or the Zoom Reels video. Okay, first of all, let's open up our CapCut application on our mobile phone, and then we're going to go to the CapCut template. Wait guys, there is an ad. Okay, I'm going to close it. Wait. Okay, here we can go to the templates menu, and then you can search for the Earth Zoom Out template, and there will be a lot of templates available for you, and you just need to choose one of them. You can choose the template that you like, and for example guys, I'm going to choose this one. Let's see how this template looks like. Okay, I think I'm gonna go with this one guys, and we can click on use template, and we can replace the photos in the template with our own photos. And we need to pick up 2 items here, and I'm going to choose this one and also this one. All right, the items have been replaced, and I'm going to click on next. Okay, and let's see how it looks. Okay, it's cool. And then you can replace the audio if you don't want to use the original audio, but I'm sorry, I cannot make it louder due to the copyright issue. Okay, and once you're done, you can click on export here. But if you want to replace your photo, you just need to select the photo that you want to replace, and then you can click on replace. Or you can also crop your photo right here. And this is for the photo editing, but we need to download HiPic. Okay, I'm not gonna do that, and I'm just going to go back, and then I'm going to export this template. And if you want to remove the CapCut watermark, there will be CapCut watermark here on the top right. If you want to remove it, you just need to click on export without watermark, and here you can choose the export resolution, and I'm just going to choose this one, and then click on done, and then export without watermark. Okay, and now the video is being exported, and then we'll be able to upload the video to our Instagram reel. Okay, now it's done, and you can share it to your Instagram reel. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.